So, well, hey guys, good evening. Welcome to this vlog. Welcome to this vlog. We are officially going to our new home for some inspection and just officially like check out the house, finalize some things. So today I'm going to make videos of the house because it's the first time going inside the house. I can't call it apartment because it's a full house. So you guys, I'm going to try my possible best to do like few videos indoor for security reasons. I'm not going to be doing the outdoor videos. So I can't really wait. My kids are excited. Hobby is excited. We couldn't wait for this day. Jasmine, Zita. We couldn't wait for this day, honestly. Hey, it's getting real. It's getting real. Hey, so many backstory that I don't even know if I will even have chance to like talk about. We've started buying properties. I don't know if I told you guys in my previous vlogs. So we've started buying properties. We are going to like see check out some other space in the house. I don't like the quality of this video. I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, welcome to the new house. This is the kitchen and this whole cabinet you are seeing, they are all going out. I don't like it. I know some of you will be like, it's okay. It's not okay. Oh." I don't like the color, especially the brown, and it looks really, really old. So here is one of the kids' room. This is the smallest room and this is the bathroom. I'm just sharing and checking to see things that I don't like that is going. Yeah, the house is spacious, is cute, but there are a lot of things that are going. Wait, you are entering my video, Jasmine. This is another room. They are walking. They are walking. They are not done working. So they are going to take some of these things away. Like these ones, we don't need it. This one, they will leave it. We want this one. So the ones we don't need, they will throw everything away. Washing machine section. This one don't need it. The living room. They are working. That's why this place is covered. Everything in this living room is going to be thrown away. We don't need them. I don't like it. So this is the room. It's very cute. It has this cute bed, but unfortunately I do not like it. So we are going to reserve just the closet and throw everything away. Quick one, you guys. See my husband. Mona me as this man. Why weak? He's feeling emotional. I was telling you guys in that video I did that I feel emotional leaving this place, going to a new place, starting life afresh. He feels the same way. See, we just came back from checking the house and now he's doing muke. He said he's feeling emotional. Yeah. 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 We're going to a new place. Eh? So sure. Anyways, I will gist you guys tomorrow how everything went. I'm already tired. Tomorrow, guys. Literally my first time in this IKEA or IKEA. I don't know the right pronunciation. You guys, do you remember the day that I left my keys inside the house and I was locked outside and I came to the shopping mall? So it was on this day. Guys, I am already looking terrible, but don't mind my look. Since I'm already here, I came to, is it IKEA or IKEA? How do they pronounce it? I think this is Sweden brand. I don't know. So
We are moving, so we need like furnitures and some interiors. So I came to check this place, although it is not my plan, but since I'm already here at the shopping mall, I said let me just check. They have really nice things, the kitchen, everything I'm seeing are they are so beautiful. But I don't know this one and the other one we bought furnitures from 2020, which one is cheaper. Anyways, this video, particular clip, will be in another video because I've not told you guys yet that we are moving. So that video you saw that I forgot key is another video, just so you know. See how cute this kitchen is. The black is so beautiful with the the carton color brown. It's very cute. Let me move backward. It's really very cute. The total of this one I'm seeing there is 4,696 euro. I don't know if it's with the electronics or whatnot, but that's the price. Let me check other ones.
Make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said.
So it was time for Obi and I to go check out things, some furnitures for our new home. And you guys already know that I went to IKEA alone, and I already explained to Obi what I saw there because they told me that they don't have enough thing in their showroom in that shopping mall because it's quite a small space. That if we want to see more and have the chance to select, we should go to headquarters, which is far. So we decided to come here.
Then it has a fridge, total amount 1,000. This one is cheap. Here goes
Sara, contatti
another one.
l'accoglienza, grazie.
Yeah, this one is exactly the type we need. It's the same price though. These are all the colors they have. But it's cute anyways. Yeah. It's wide. Hey, look at the one you can scatter here. What this one I'm not seeing here. After 365 days, finally found something to buy. We are still coming back. I will show you guys. No, I will not show you guys. You guys will see it later. I almost lost my phone. I forgot my phone on top of the table. After like 2 minutes, I remembered.
Favorite, the kind of love that I would die for. I never thought I'd feel this way about it.
Hey guys, good evening. Shh. I have not given you guys updates since we came back from the house. When we went to check the house, I think that was the last time you guys saw me. No, when we went to buy furnitures, that was a day after we went to check the house for the first time. I didn't update you guys, right? Yeah, we went to pay for some furnitures, not everything yet. The house, we have a lot of things to throw away, and work is currently going on. I don't know if you guys saw in the clips I recorded. Yeah, then it's okay. A lot of work is still going on, so we don't want to pack in yet until maybe March or April. I don't know when they will finish the remaining work that is going on there. So most of the properties, you could see that everywhere is so tight. Different properties is inside the house, but we don't need them. There are few of them that we actually like, and we told them to leave, but most of those properties, furnitures are going to, I don't know, maybe they are going to trade away because we don't need them. They were even trying to convince us that some of the furnitures are new, that we can have them, but I don't think we need them. So a lot of the furnitures, they're going to throw them away. So before they will free up that space, finish the work that is going on. So maybe around end of March, April. So case you guys are seeing this video late, I don't want to really start posting all of these vlogs and just put it everywhere until the whole thing is almost ready. So when you guys are watching this video, that means everything is almost ready, if not 100% ready. So we are not buying the major furnitures that we actually need. So the next furnitures shopping, I'm going to take you guys along. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff to buy and I'm excited for it. Anyways, this bell is already 6 p.m. Yeah, that bell is 6 p.m. bell. Very soon we're gonna hear all this pound 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 again. You guys, the house, we love our new home. You guys, I'm so excited. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah. Hey guys, so this morning Obi realized that he lost his bank card, that he did not come home with that bank card, so he wanted to go block it and all that. You guys, he went to do some transaction for our new home, so you know now those bank transaction clinic on, so he went to do all of that. So he forgot he forgot his card at the ATM, not outside though, because they told him to slot some amount of money like inside his account, so he paid in some money in his account. So those money he paid in his account, during that period he left his ATM inside the machine and came home. This morning now he realized that he lost his card. Anyways, I just let me explain here, because I already did the video for you guys, but I did not explain because I've not started posting this series, so I didn't want to talk about it there. So I just came here to like explain this part, that it's the new home excitement that made him forget his ATM inside the machine. This new house excitement, eh? He don't do a strong thing, no. But we are so grateful to God. Honestly, we are so happy. Anyways, I will see you guys for more updates. Diana, what happened? Because it's that same card we want to go and use to pay some other furnitures this weekend, because we've not bought everything that we need. Like, we're just buying them small. We are also ordering some things online that we need for the home decor and all that before the time that we are going to pack in, because I want things to be ready before we move in. If not, we would have moved in but we want everything to be ready. That's why we might move in April. Safe. See you guys later. Dear queens, how do you guys cover up your lace? Like, how do you melt your lace? I am tired. Like, seriously tired. Every time I try to like melt my lace, you must see it. Is it that I use foundation to spoil it, or the whatnot that will put the spray, the melting spray will just like leave the exact place I want it to cover and start rolling down my face. See, this thing is very obvious. Well, I'm going to rock it whichever way. You guys, I'm wearing matching outfits with my princesses today. Say hi. Hi.
I never thought I'd feel this way about it.
So my husband is a wide TV screen person. Me, I don't even fancy television. As far as I have phone, I am fine. And my husband loves those big one. Those, is it 90 something inches? I don't know. He was laying his hand on those ones. I was begging this man. I said, "Oh, guy, you have kids, so if your kids break that TV screen, don't call me, oh."
You guys, we are buying TV. My husband saw this big TV and yeah, no way come out. So he's buying TV for our new house.
New doors, new home, new floor.
So you need to have their card, right? You are downloading their app. For next time discount or whatever. We are helping you to spend your money. Jasmine, don't pass there. Oh. Come back here. Come here, my friend. Let's help your daddy spend his money.
Imagine with you, you make me feel like you're my person, you're my favorite, the kind of love that I would die for.
Can barely see you. Rain is not falling the other side, it's falling here. See heavy rain. My clothes are outside. It don't be you.
New me, new you.
I think water touched too.
Thank you for watching.